Okay, this is a 300 Winchester Magnum, the 208 grain ELD match bullets going about 29.50. I got to follow the bore, so 400 yards should be a chip shot for this thing. Jez, if you can swing it to those two out there, doesn't really matter. We'll hear the hit. The safety works on this gun.
That's good. Nice.
That dumps a little bit of energy right there. Okay, I can see that the wind moved me a little bit left, so we're going to go right here. So 700, the drop would be 13.4 MOA. Got my parallax set. Okay, 700 yards.
Nice.
Still pretty much a chip shot for this thing. Okay, here's Mo with his 308 Savage Model 11. We're dialed out to 700. It is the target on the left right there. Okay, go ahead. That was a hit. I heard it.
Yep.
Nice. Yeah, there's a cluster of them on there. Jazz and Mo have been lighting up the center of that middle one there. That was Mo's own recipe that he loaded up. Got his nice Savage Model 11 there. Athlon on it. Here's Jazz starting to walk her 243 out. Just a little skip out to 400.
Tell me when.
Go ahead.
Nice.
Okay, Jazz shot the one at 4, made an adjustment. She's going to go to 700, that target on the left. Fire when ready. But
Nice. Left center.
Dead center, even further left.
okay. Yeah, that's just a 243 axis. Okay, here's Mo on the 300 mag. Gonna go 700.
Is that good? Shoot.
Not yet. Okay, so one on the left. Go ahead. Oh yeah, there's a hit. I could hear that.
That was dead center. This is sweet.
Tell you what, rack that out. Put another one in that beastie. Oh, he clocked it hard that time. Let me show you the difference between the two rounds. Okay, that's the difference between a 308 and a 300 Magnum.
Yeah, well, baby.
208 grain coming out of this sucker. That's a 168 on the.
Yep.
So I've got 74 grains, and that's actually not the hotter load. The hotter load's 78. How many grains powder do you have?
42 of IMARS 4064.
Nice.